Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Devkant Kala. I work at UPS Dehradun as Assistant Professor in the area of marketing. In today's session, I explain to you one of the most important concepts of marketing, that is marketing mix. One of the most useful tools in the marketer's toolkit is marketing mix. It involves practically everything that a marketing organization can use to influence the customer's response. Marketing mix is a set of controllable variables that a firm can use to influence the customer's response or to market organization's product within a given marketing environment. Back in 1960, Professor Jerome McCarthy classified marketing mix variable in terms of 4 P's. These are product, price, place, and promotion. So first P is product. After consumer, the product is the second most important element of marketing. It is the medium through which benefits and value are delivered to customer. A product is anything tangible or intangible which can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy a need. It is a bundle of utilities and accompanying services that has the potential to satisfy the needs of present and potential customers. Marketers are more likely to be successful if they offer innovative products that meet customer need and exceed their expectation. The next P is price. Selecting the right price is another important marketing decision. Price is the amount of money needed to have the ownership of the product. Usually, a seller is pricing a combination of 3 things. First, the specific product, that is the main object of transaction. Second, several supplementary services such as warranty. And third, in a very real sense, the need satisfying benefit provided by the product. One of the most important points about the price is that it is the only marketing mix variable that can be altered quickly. Third P is place. Generally, the place of origin and the place of consumption of the product are very far, and therefore the marketer must find a way to physically deliver the product to the potential customers. Place element of marketing mix is concerned with this aspect of marketing. A distribution channel consists of a set of people or firms involved in the transfer of product from producer to the retail stores for convenience purchasing by the consumer. It ensures the availability of the product to customers when they want, at the places they want, and in the right quantities. The last P is promotion. Having innovative product, reasonable price, and availability is good, but not enough. Marketers also need to promote their offerings to potential customers. Promotion is all about effective and efficient communication strategy of the organization. Organization uses various promotional tools such as advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, public relation, and direct marketing to inform, persuade, and remind the customers about product and build customer relationships. In overall marketing strategy, marketing manager strives to develop the most appropriate combination of marketing mix variables to meet the requirements of target market. Elements of marketing mix can be accommodated to the changing market conditions. So, according to you, out of all these 4 P's, which one do you think is most important? Actually, all 4 are equally important and interdependent. All of these are extremely important and all of them can add value to customers and to the firm. The seller's perspective of the marketing strategy. From buyer's viewpoint, these 4 P's are known as 4 C's. In the 4C model, the product is customer solution, the price is customer cost, place is convenience, and promotion is communication. In this session, we have understood the concept of marketing mix. In the next session, we will explore the concept of customer value. Looking forward to you in the next session.